This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make truffle cake at home without oven. Start by chilling a springform pan and crushing 300 g of cookies for the crust, then mix with 100 g melted butter until firm. Melt 600 g dark chocolate with 350 ml cream for a smooth ganache. Cool slightly, then fold into whipped cream. Assemble layers, chill until set, unmold carefully, and finish with ganache drizzle and raspberries for garnish. Make the crust first and press it flat and even to support the truffle layers. For the filling, warm chocolate gently and mix with hot cream to form a silky ganache, then let it cool to room temperature. Fold the ganache into whipped cream in 2 additions to keep volume and prevent deflation. Pour into the crust, tap to remove air bubbles, and refrigerate overnight for best texture and clean slices when serving. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for timing bakes, reading recipes aloud, and playing music while you work in the kitchen, and it fits any countertop. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple, no-oven dessert ideas. Also check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals I love. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Trim and level the top if needed, then pour a warm but not hot glaze for a smooth finish that sets quickly. Use a hot knife wiped between cuts to create neat slices, and plate with contrasting textures like crunchy nuts or bright fruit. Let slices sit 5 minutes at room temperature before serving so flavors open up, and always store extras tightly wrapped in the fridge to preserve creaminess and prevent the crust from sogging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.